Hey y'all, welcome back to Christy's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to do a giant grilled cheese on my Weber kettle. This is supposed to be part of a collaboration with a group of YouTubers. They all use the hashtag grilled cheese please. I'm a little late on mine, but I still want to be a part of it. And I'm also wanting to give a shout out to Cooking with CJ and Cooking with Corey. They're the ones who came up with the idea. I made a 4-pound grilled cheese last year and it was so delicious and so much fun to make. I've been wanting to redo it, so I figured this would be the perfect opportunity. And now that I have the kettle, I'd like to try it on it. Kind of a takeoff of what Alton Brown did on Good Eats. I'll put a link to the video I made last year. It goes into a little more detail as far as me making the bread. This time I'll just show you a couple little still shots because I like to keep the videos short as possible. As you've already seen earlier, I went ahead and used my food processor to grate the cheese. I thought about using a box grater, but this is way too much cheese, so I thought I would work smarter and not harder. I have no idea what I'm doing. Like I said earlier, Alton Brown, he did a video where he did a grilled cheese on the kettle, and he melted the cheese. So I'm just going to use a full pan and let it melt a little bit to kind of get it going. That looks amazing. Oh, smells wonderful. Sorry it was so dark. I had to get Lloyd to bring out some light out here. It's been rainy and gloomy all day. Plus it's late in the evening. This is the only time I was able to get it done. So hopefully you can see good enough. This is a half a stick of butter. Not very graceful. Well, it's not as pretty as I had hoped, but it smells amazing. Not nearly as convenient as I had hoped. My cheese hardened up a little bit while I was letting the bread toast. I'd say that's one huge grilled cheese. Our other light died, so we had to change over to the lantern, so if it's too loud, I'm sorry. Again, I'm not used to recording when it's getting dark like this. With all experiments, it's a lesson learned. This one turned out pretty good, except I should have put the cheese back on the heat just for a few minutes to soften it up. My idea was to kind of pour the cheese onto it, but unfortunately that didn't work out as planned. Let's cut into it and see what it looks like. The bread is really soft. It was way too big to try to pull apart, but it's definitely got some good melty cheese in there. All right, Lloyd, give it a try.
All right, guys, I'm a dipper, and I got me some tomato soup here, so we're gonna put this in here.
It's hot.
It's hot. That is an amazing grilled cheese sandwich. My God, that is better than if they found a cure for herpes. And there ain't nothing better than tomato soup and a grilled cheese sandwich on a cold, rainy night like tonight. Guys, this combination right here, tomato soup and grilled cheese sandwich, man, it goes together about like a box of rubbers and a third date. Unlike back in my day, you pretty much had to put a damn ring on somebody's finger just to get your balls wet, but it's different nowadays. I gotta have another bite of this. This stuff's on point right here. Y'all hold tight with me now. God almighty. Man, that is amazing. That is delicious. And cooked on that Weber grill, man, you can't touch it. I'm here to tell you, guy, with that much cheese and all that bread, if you could take all these grilled cheese sandwiches and make a whole bunch of them, and you give them out to all these homeless shelters and people in need and people starving to death, it'd put an end to world hunger. And not only that, you'd save a crap load of money on toilet paper, because you can't shit for a week after eating one of these bad boys. God almighty. I can't get enough of this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is probably going to be the last video for us till the end of the year, and I just want to wish each and every one of y'all that support us, support Christy's channel, a very Merry Christmas. And I hope Santa Claus is good to y'all. I hope he brings you a case of Colorado Kool-Aids, and when you wake up that morning, you got a case under your tree, you think about me. And guys, have a happy new year. And after the first of the year, we're going to have more videos, and we're going to have more fun. And I appreciate each and every one of y'all for your comments and your good words and your friendship. And thanks again, guys. And Merry Christmas to you, and have a good year. Thank you.